'cause I've come too far. I've had to stand in line for those I thought I stood beside. But as far as you're concerned, it's just another lesson learned. Does it feel like I've just been a waste of time? Because it feels like you're wasting mine. What if you ain't why I'm crazy? It's because I'm suffocated. I fail to see what's killing me. It's me. I can't turn and walk away. And if you ask me why I'm waiting, hopelessly anticipating, the end is near. You're not here. You turn and walk away. The end is near. You're not here. You turn and walk away. The end is near. And you're not here. And I've learned to walk away.
Looking to get a great meal? Choose Abigail Smoke Shack and Barbecue, 8014 West Andrew Johnson Highway, Mossheim, Tennessee. Fresh smoked meats done the old-fashioned way. Call 423-470-4192. Store hours are 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. Monday through Friday. And tell them Perry and Glenda sent you.
Hey guys, this is Severance. You're listening to Tri-City Local Music Radio.
Time back girl, God bless that man. Ripped from us by the devil sand. The only thing in his plan was love and rock and roll. Cowboy from hell on a twisted trail, slipping away where the wild winds live. Sad truth is you can never tell when it's your time to go. Well, bad news travels faster than any good news that you hear. Just one more dark disaster makes you wonder why we're here. Where were you in 94 when I found him down there on the floor? Guess I couldn't take no more, a needle and a gun. And where did you sleep last night with the angels locked up tight? Love was his only life, guess you have another one. Well, bad news travels faster than any good news that you hear. Just one more dark disaster makes you wonder why we're here. Well, bad news travels faster than any good news that you hear. Just one more dark disaster wonder why we're here. Bad news travels faster than any good news that you hear. Just one more dark disaster makes you wonder why we're here.
This is Eric Shelton from The Fugitives, and you are listening to the one and only Tri-Cities Local Music Radio.
to see us under attack. Sleeping beauties flood the streets so calmly. Wake up, wake up, wake up, and fight, fight, fight. The apocalypse is here. The apocalypse is now. It's a battle that's win. That good can only win. The apocalypse is here. I woke up to see, and now can't look back. See my lover, old in the street by the side.